Bonnie, happy Monday. Oh my gosh, you guys, Avon 12 days of deals. I got to tell you about this. So what you're going to want to do is go to my Facebook channel. I'm going to actually put the link below. And every day between now and I think November 30th, I'm going to be posting a new deal for Avon. So today, day one, we've got you get a free mini skincare duo. You're going to get the Avon Platinum AM and PM minis. I actually have the Platinum PM, I believe this is. I don't have one on hand that is the AM, but this is the size. I just wanted to give you the size. So you get the AM and the PM one. Plus you get free shipping, and it has to be on a $60 order. You use the code PLATINUM to get the free mini skincare duo. So every day between now and November 30th, there's going to be a new deal. Like my Facebook page, definitely stop by to visit, because a lot of times Facebook won't show everybody everything that's going on. You know how Facebook pages are. So you're going to want to stop by my Facebook page every day. I'll probably do another video at some point about this, but also sign up for my email list. I will put the link below. It's www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com. That way you get my e-coupons and any emails from Avon. So you'll be in the know for everything. But like I said, yay, Christmas. 12 days of deals starts today with the two mini little new creams there. So how exciting is that? Any questions, let me know, because like I said, I am an online Avon rep. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.